Greeting you all my members. Today I will be showing you how to use the Fibo trader to trade and be successful. So today, if it's the first time you are on our platform, please press the notification button and notification bell so that whenever I uploaded any video, you'll be notified. So please, let's get started. Please, if you haven't downloaded the EA, please check the description box below and download the EA. Okay, let's get started. How to sell. Okay, let's go. How to sell on Boom. Okay, let me adjust this. How to sell on Boom using the Fibo trader. So my Fibo trader is on, as you can see here. It's on. My Fibo trader is on. So as you can see, it's on. My Fibo trader is on here. Sorry. It's on here, as you can see. So the signal is here. Sell is giving me sell. So the thing you have to consider is you have to check the trend before. When you check the trend, after checking the trend, we are trading the trend. Sorry, we are trading the trend. We are not trading against the trend. So you have to trade the trend. So this is the maximum Fibo. This one, the red one, as you can see, Fibo maximum Fibo, and the blue one is giving you the minimum. So this one is serving you as a support, and this one is serving you as a resistance. So whenever the signal appears, you will see it here. Here, as you can see it here, this box. So immediately it gives you the signal. It will spike. When it spikes, check whether the RSI touches level 70. Let me adjust this one. Level 70 here, or above 70. Then place your sell order. So this one, the TP is here. It will give you the TP. Here is the TP. TP is the exit point. As you can see, the TP is 10573.9100. So you have to choose. You have to make a plan. You have to make a plan. Choose. You can choose 3 candles, 4 candles, or 5 candles from it. You can choose 4, 3, or 2, even 2, so that you not caught by the spike, catch by the spike. Sorry. So okay, this is on Boom. So make sure the RSI touches level 70 or above 70, and also check the trend. If the trend is on downtrend on Boom. Okay, this blue line here gives you as a resistance, as a support, and the red one gives you as a resistance. So whenever it spikes and it gets to the level 70, and you check the condition, you have to consider this one to the support and resistance. It will give you the support and resistance also. So we check the support and resistance, this one, and the big one too, this one. Okay, and also after taking your trade, press reset here to give you, to prepare for a next signal. Okay, let's go to crash and see. Crash. Okay, let me place this trade and let's see what will happen. Let me place this trade. So please always apply risk management, money risk management. So every time when you are placing a trade, you have to risk at least 2% to 4% of your capital, 2% or 3% of your capital. So this one I'm using lot size 30 cents. So let me place and sell that. My sell that, yes, as you can see, it's running. As you can see, it's running. Where is it? It's this one. It's running. So I have to adjust my my TP to where the Fibo has given me. So I have to adjust it. My TP is here. My TP is here. So we are waiting for it. So always choose 3 or 4 candles and out. Okay, 2 or 3 candles. So I'm waiting. Yeah. Don't let the price get to the TP. Always adjust your TP. Always apply money management. Also, let's go to the crash and see what is happening. Yes, as you can see, crash 500. It has given me the support on the Fibo minimum and Fibo maximum. As you can see, the red one is the resistance zone and the blue one is the support zone. So this blue line giving you the support, and this one gives you the red one gives you the resistance zone, and here is where the TP is. So here you have to choose 3 or 4 candles then out, or maybe when you see you check the trend and the trend is good, you can get to the TP. So as you can see, this one you have to choose 3 or 4 candles then out. This one, let me use lot size 2.5. Always apply money management. Always apply money management. As you can see, this one is the TP Fibo 0. Where this one is. Always make sure when you are on class, make sure the RSI 14 touches level 30 or below 30, then place your buy order on crash. Buy order on crash. As you can see, it's running. So you have to choose 3 or 4 candles then out. As you can see, yes, check the trend. Please, if it's the first time you are on our platform, please press the notification button and the notification bell. Whenever I uploaded a new video, you'll be notified. We are waiting. Let me check. We are waiting. Okay. We are waiting. 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 Everything. Close this one. As you can see, this one I